Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, we are here today doing a problem with a car. Here you can see a car is there, which is running very fastly moving. So the problem is that it is in a highway. The car is moving in a highway. So uh, the main man, the driver, applying a brake. So we have 200 meters in front of him, and we have to stop the car in that distance. So how much acceleration or negative acceleration is called retardation. So how much retardation we must apply? We must apply to stop the car. I think I will read the question. A car moving along a straight highway. The speed of 126 km/h is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meters. What is the retardation of the car? Assume uniform. And how long does it take for the car to stop? So the car, before we doing this, we have to know some equations. The equations are called kinematics equations of motion, which is a three equations are there. These three equations are applied to an object which is running, flying, or just traveling with a constant acceleration. Constant acceleration means it is velocity increasing in its velocity increases is same for same interval of time. Okay, that is constant acceleration we can only apply. That is only for constant acceleration we can apply these three equations. This is also given in the question that assume uniform. Uniform means it is constant. Okay. The three equations are x is equal to ut plus half at square and v square equal to u square plus 2ax and v is equal to u plus at. So v means v is the final velocity we are considering. U is initial velocity. The acceleration is given by a. Acceleration means the change in velocity, and t means the time, and x is the distance it traveled, or simply distance. So if we read one more time the question, we can understand that we have to find the acceleration, or acceleration we have to find. And the second thing is we have to find the time. How long? That means the time. So these three equations have time and acceleration is only in two equations, v square, and we have three things in the quantities in the question, and v is given by initial velocity of the car is 126 km/h. Okay, and distance it is given here, that is x is equal to 200 meter, and the final velocity is actually a thing because you have to understand it is not given always, because when some car stops means the final velocity is 0 km/h. Okay, so before going to that, I have just one thing is here. Okay, I just okay. Then x, we have three equations for motion is there. So consider this equation. We have x is there and u is there and we have to find a. So the second equation of motion, v square given by u square plus 2ax is the equation we needed for to solve the acceleration. So one more problem is there. We have to change all the quantities to a basic fundamental thing. That is, it is given kilometer per hour, which is not useful. If we mix all together, we will not get the correct answer. So we take meter per second for this u. So we can say that 1000 meter per second, 1000 meter per second is equal to 1 kilometer per hour, means 1000 meter per 60 into 60 seconds. That is the connection. So 1 kilometer per hour is how much meter per second. So we cut here, zeros are cut first. Then 6 and 10 cuts. So 5 and 3 you got. So the answer will be 5 divided by 18 meter per second, 1 kilometer per hour. This is a very good thing to remember. If we solve in some problems, we need this quantity. So don't think too much, don't go fast, take your time, because it is not easy to first of all get the idea. First of all, we need to read the question 1, 2, 3 times, and we have to record what are the quantities given, and we have to check what the quantities we needed, and then apply what we have. In this chapter, actually, we study kinematic equation of motion, so it is a very good place to apply that equations. Okay, so we are finding the acceleration. So v square means 0 square, and the u square is we have to find u. Okay, u is 5 by 18 into 126 kilometer. So 18 and 126 will cancel because 7 times 18 is 126. So we will get 5 into 7, 35 meter per second. Okay, then this you understand, 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 80. So 126 kilometer per hour is 5 by 80 into 126. So 35 meter per second. You can understand also in this method how high kilometer per hour is always a big value, and the corresponding meter per second, this will be the lower value. It will not go more than this value 126, always less than. So we are doing this equation, substituting, replacing all the quantities. 35 square plus 2 into a is not given, into x is 200. Or we can arrange this one more time. Minus into this 35 square come to here, and it will be like minus 35 square. So we don't need square because that is a very big process, finding square and doing all things. So we need we will do cutting to simple things. So 35 into 35 we can write, and that is all the time negative. That is 2 into a into 200. So we can understand one more thing from here. This is not easy first of all. is easy, and you have to try this method 2, 3, 4, 6 times in other application. You will find it very easy. 35 cancel, 200 cancel, because all the 2 times are 5. So divided by 5 means 7, divided by 200 divided by 5 means 40. Okay, again we can cut 14 and 35 because these are 2 multiples of 7, 5, 5. And 7 times 5 is 35, 8 times 5 is 40. So minus 7 into 7 is minus 49 is equal to 2 into 8, 16 into 8. So the acceleration A is minus 49 divided by 16. The minus part is because this is acceleration which is called retardation. The name actually retardation means negative acceleration. So the acceleration is negative. That's the thing we can understand from here. Okay. The next thing is we have to find the time. So I am erasing all this. Okay, because we have to do this. Okay. The next equation is u1 by u is equal to this time and acceleration, and these all quantities we have. V is equal to u plus 80. So A was minus 49 by 60. So V is 0, u is given by 35, A is given by minus 49 by 16, and T. So we can put here 35 because we can change across the equation symbol, because all the quantities come here it is positive, then it come to here it will be negative. So that the equalizing sign or conserve. Okay, minus 49 divided by 16 into P. So minus and minus cancels. 14 and 35 are the multiples of 7. Okay, 7. So 16 can be multiplied to 5, though then 18 will be given. 18 will be the answer. So 18 will be division 7 is equal to the 10. So nearly 11 point something second is the answer. The actual value is 11.42. Is the time to stop. So it was in a hurry, and you take time to understand these things. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.